everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. At first, for creating this presentation, we need to see how it looks like. Let me just show it to you. If you like this tutorial or another thing like this, you can find them in my channel. It needs something to fix. Let us create this and fix this. At first, we need to add a new slide and we need this picture, the picture in the background. How get the picture? We save the background here, then import the picture from the background. We insert it from file, picture 1, and then we create a new slide and apply it to all. After applying to all, here we are going to reduce its sharpness to -59. Okay, it's enough. Now we need to create these two texts. We are going to add this shape, hexagon. I always have problem with Unanian numbers. In creating hexagon, don't forget to use shift to get a best impossible. Okay, align middle, press shift and control to create another copy and another copy. I will tell you why we create this third copy. The order is very important in these copies. We are going to order them from the top to the low. You see what I mean? Okay. At the first one, we are going to write the New York text and make it to it. How we are going to create that effect? We are going to add a text box here and write New York, and then select this, change the font to Overdrive Sunset, and really increase its size to the point we want. This is good. Increase it a little more, then format it in the center, select both of them, shape format, and then combine. Then put it here, and we are going to change this thing color to white. Put it here. Then here we are going to paste our text. This is our text, and we are going to change this thing this thing fill to white also. Select all of them, set the shape outline to none. Then group this thing, group them. Okay, everything is looking great, but the important thing is that we don't need this thing here. I'm going to show you how we use it. Okay, we copy this slide, material in this slide, copy all of them and paste them here. Then we select all of them and set align center, align middle. But we need to send it back. Send back. Okay, I don't know what the problem is happening, but let me just go to this slide and send this back. Okay, it's good. Now we select all of them and copy them, paste them here, and now we just simply select all of them and go to shape format and align them center, align them middle. It's not in the middle, not in the center. Because of that, we are going to do it one by one, then add these two to it. Okay, it's good. Then we are going to select all of them and give them a little shadow. I said bottom shadow is good. And also I'm going to select all three of them and give them bottom shadow. And we are going to reduce this thing size by pressing Ctrl Shift to this thing. And then we are going hiding it here. Now we set the transition to morph. You see, it's looking great and amazing. You can see it. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice night.